us all listen to Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Hi guys, nowadays we are listening about the COVID-19 pandemic situation. So there are many ways to prevent, like wearing mask or sanitizing ourselves. But the easiest way is to maintain social distancing. So you will think that how does this social distancing actually work? By social distancing, we can rapidly decrease the rate of spreading the virus or disease. And second thing, you will think what is social distancing? Social distancing like shaking hands or high-fiving or going to public places like theaters or malls, etc. But for social distancing, you should at least need to maintain 1 to 3 meter. By conclusion, I will say that if you want to fight for coronavirus, you should maintain social distancing.
Good morning. Today's thought. Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. I repeat, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning. I'm going to recite a poem, Promise Yourself. When you fall more than you walk and stammer more than you talk, don't think that you're weak. One day your experience will speak. If you feel you're defeated and all is lost, get up, fight back. Failure doesn't mean having no setbacks. Failure is loss of faith in yourself. Smile and concentrate on your powers. Fight back hard and overcome the obstacles. You know what? Sometimes finding yourself becomes the toughest journey. That's what you're doing now. Keep going. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about time, and that too very briefly, because time is very important for both you and me.
Number 1. Time is irreversible. That is, it can neither be bought back or brought back. So use your time wisely. Number 2. Time is the same for everybody, be it the most hardworking or the laziest person in the world. God has given us all an equal opportunity, so we cannot complain. Number 3. Time management is both a science and an art. So plan your time in a balanced way for both work and leisure.
Number 4. Time accomplishes many things. Confused?
We accomplish many things using time, but at the same time, time also accomplishes many things in us. It helps us to mature, to heal, forgive, forget, be patient, and persevere. And finally, God Himself uses time to accomplish His timeless purpose in us and for us.
Everything that God does in His time is beautiful. Thank you.